Hey there friends, it is me, HL Mod Tech, and of course we are trying to make a glider that flies more than 5 seconds. When you've got that, make sure you note it in your specs, make sure you note that you are in spec, and then you are ready to print out your glider design. Let me show you how to make that happen. When you have built a glider that you and your partner agree on is what you're going to print, you've done your design process in Google Drawings, then you're allowed to print it. To get yours to print, there are some steps we need to follow. So my friends, let's get cracking. The first essential step is I need you to click the little dots, go to your settings, and we have got to change an advanced setting so we save where we want instead of where Chrome wants to. So make sure that this is on. When you've got that set, and I've approved the design you're choosing, then you can click the word Outputs. You can click the legal size. Make sure you choose legal size. And we need to download that to a special folder. When you hit download, note that it will ask you where you want to save. We need to click this PC. We need to scroll down and find Shared S. Double click on the HL. Double click on the projects. Double click on the student folder. Double click on the Harmon folder. Scroll all the way to the bottom of that, and if you want to be smart, right click and pin this to your quick access so you've always got it. Once you go in, go to the gliders folder, and the last step before we get these printed is to put your name after it. Make sure you've got maybe more initials. Make sure you do something with your partner as well. And when you've got that saved, you can come ask me to print your design. Friends, I hope you found that useful. If you did, please hit the like button. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HL Mod Tech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.